Money has no utility to me. Time has utility to me. But money in terms of making trips or owning more houses or having a boat or something, it has no utility to me whatsoever. It has a lot of utility to other people, which is the reason for the Giving Pledge.
What is the future of making money online? Have you ever wondered this? Let's find ways to make money that will last for longer. And for more money-making strategies, make sure to subscribe to 33 Cube now. Here we begin. Make money with affiliate marketing. One of the most popular ways to make money is through affiliate marketing. Its popularity has risen and fallen over the years, but it remains a reliable way to earn money online. The best part about affiliate marketing is you can partner with many companies, including Shopify, Amazon, Uber, and FabFitFun. Affiliate marketing lets you earn money by promoting other people's products. For example, you can earn sales commissions by promoting retail products, software, apps, and other services. While a commission may appear insignificant, remember that you can be an affiliate for multiple brands and include multiple affiliate links in a single blog post. If you truly want to make money online through affiliate marketing, you should concentrate on content marketing. First, by creating a blog with several pages of high-quality content, you can create an asset that is uniquely yours. Then, place affiliate links strategically in your blog post to drive traffic to your affiliate partner's website. Create a YouTube channel. You can make money on YouTube if others can. Jimmy Donaldson, who uploads bizarre stunts on his YouTube channel, is the highest paid YouTuber, earning $54 million in 2021. Jake Paul, another high earner, has made $45 million on YouTube by sharing high-energy prank videos and boxing content. His YouTube fame enabled him to leverage his audience to earn money online and his YouTube earnings. Your YouTube channel should focus on a single niche to build a strong, loyal audience. You can make makeup tutorials, stream video games, review products, teach skills, make prank videos, or do anything else that you think will appeal to an audience. The key to making money on YouTube is making people want to watch your content. Make clever headlines to entice people to watch your videos and include keywords in your description to optimize for YouTube search. Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers, you can start monetizing your channel with YouTube ads. Become a virtual assistant. People are always looking for assistance, and because the world has gone global, you can be helpful no matter where your clients are. That means you can work from home, or more accurately, from anywhere. As a virtual assistant, you can assist with almost anything. You can help your clients find guest post opportunities, organize their schedules, do some data entry on the side, really whatever you need. You can find clients by using platforms like Upwork. You can also create your own website and market your services through it. It's one of the simplest ways to make money online with a low barrier to entry. Start your blog. Blogging isn't a novel way to make money online in 2022, but it's something that has worked in the past, is working now, and should continue to work in the future. You can blog about anything you're interested in as long as other people are interested in it too. There are numerous ways to make money blogging as well. Starting a profitable blog takes a significant amount of time and effort. While it's not the easiest way to make money online, if you're willing to put in the effort, it's a strong contender for the best way to make money in 2022 and beyond. Get paid to travel. Individual travel vloggers or bloggers can make money online must usually travel first to locations they are filming or writing about. While it can be thrilling, especially at first, it is also time-consuming and expensive. This is potentially where you come in. You can travel on their behalf and as a travel blogger assistant, taking photos and video clips of sending over notes about your experience. Then, travel bloggers you've collaborated who can compile the information and do most of the writing and photo video editing work. Then they can publish the finalized product to their target audience without boarding a plane or driving to a location. Start dropshipping. Dropshipping's popularity is growing, indicating its viability as a business model according to Google Trends. Moreover, there's plenty of proof that dropshipping is a legitimate way to make money online, with success stories of how an entrepreneur made $6,667 in 8 weeks, or how a store owner made 6 figures selling just one product. If you're unfamiliar with dropshipping, it's a business model in which you sell a product to a customer, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships the product on your behalf. Shopify dropshipping gives you access to millions of products you can sell in your store. Some Shopify dropshipping apps allow you to handpick your product images, edit item descriptions, and give your business a personalized feel so customers enjoy shopping. What is the best way to make money online with dropshipping? Most entrepreneurs have concentrated their marketing efforts on 3 strategies: running Facebook ads, having influencers promote their products, and sending DMs to potential customers on social media. Become an influencer. Creating a personal brand can assist you in making money online. For example, did you know that soccer star Cristiano Ronaldo charges an average of $880,000 to $1 million for a sponsored Instagram post? While reality stars, singers, and athletes may appear to be the most powerful influencers, keep in mind even small-scale influencers can make more money today than a few years ago. To become an influencer, you'll need to have a sizable following. So what are the best platforms to start with? TikTok and Instagram. Some of the most powerful non-celebrity influencers often started on these platforms. You can charge for sponsored posts, open your own store and sell products, including affiliate links in your bio, sell your photos, sell ads on your own podcast, make and sell merch, get paid to appear at events, and make more money as an influencer. Create an online course. One of the best ways to make money is to sell courses. If you're an expert in the field, you can monetize your knowledge by creating online courses. You can sell your course in Udemy or your website if you already have a following. Some entrepreneurs can earn up to $5,000 a month without online courses. Take inspiration from trending courses in your niche to create a popular and successful course. Then read the reviews. What are the aspects that people like and what do they dislike? How do you make something better than what has already been made? Concentrate on creating content that addresses the most common complaints while emulating the positive aspects that people love. The platform on which you sell your course will determine how much money you make. You can do a little to promote your course if you sell it on Udemy. It's almost like you can set it and forget it. Perhaps promote it on some blogs or social media networks. If the course is hosted on your own website, you can run advertisements to promote it. You can also use email to promote future courses without paying for marketing. Become a freelancer. These days, remote jobs are in high demand. You can start a lucrative freelance career online if you have the digital skills. The first step is to sign up for FlexJobs, which would instantly find remote jobs that you can do. FlexJobs has plenty of remote freelancing jobs for people with no experience or industry background, but you don't have to stop there. Why not use your remote freelance work to launch your own remote company? For example, you can start a virtual assistant business and use job boards to find clients. You can even reap all the benefits of running your own business without starting a full one. Freelance websites such as Upwork and FlexJobs allow you to earn a full-time income online without finding any clients. Graphic design, logo design, web design, infographics, voiceovers, and other related jobs are available. Let us know your views in the comments below. For more money-making tips, make sure to subscribe to 33Cube now, like the video, and share it with your friends who are interested in making money. Thanks for watching!